Hi everyone, in this video let's see how to create an AI based sequence. Right now I'm on my sequence page on the dashboard. I'm going to click on new sequence. So it's going to give me two options. I'm going to click create using AI since we want to create an AI based sequence. So I have two options here. I can either go ahead and upload a JD that I already have, or I can create a new job description. So I'm going to click on it. Here you can add the role, the key skills, and the years of experience, and AI is going to help you create a JD. But for now, I already have a JD. I'm going to upload that. So that's done. I'm going to click on next step. So the next part is to choose whether or not you want to, add your client's name. This step is completely optional. You can choose to skip it. So you have an option over here. You can also add your client's name. So let's say, for example, NurtureBox is my client, and we can go ahead and add. And I can also choose to not display the client's name. So in case if I want to talk about NurtureBox but not display their name, I have an option over here. That's also available. So I'm going to skip this step for now. So the last step is to choose what is your preferred way of reach out. So I can either choose to be email, or I can choose it to be LinkedIn, or I can choose both as well, right? And the last bit is to choose the tone in which you want to write these emails. So I'm going to keep it casual. So once I choose all of these options, I can just click on generate sequence. It's going to take a couple of minutes. Voila, we have our sequence here, which is created by AI. So I'm just going to rename it Senior Ops Manager AI. So I can just go ahead and edit it as well. So if I want to edit any content here, or edit the subject, anything that I want to do, I can do it from here. I can edit the delays, right? I can choose it to be no delay in case if I want it to be. And I can also change the settings over here based on where my candidates are in. And I can also choose the date, time, and everything that I want to send, and click on save. And once I edit any content that I want to, I can go ahead and launch it. So I hope this video is helpful. Thank you.